All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the SMOROBOT. Now, I was sent this just to do a review on it, see how this cleans my pool. So I'm going to open this up, see what all comes in the box, see if I have to charge this before I put it in. Maybe it comes pre-charged, I don't know. And I let my pool get really dirty. So we're going to see how good it does to clean the bottom of my pool up. All right, now this is what we're starting with. I got stuff from my trees all over in the bottom of my pool. So we're gonna see how good this picks all this up. All right, so let's get this open, see what comes in the box. Now I'm gonna be running this on my 24-foot above ground pool. This robot is made to clean, it's actually made to clean, you can either set it for floor or floor and walls. But normally for an above ground pool, you only do the floor. So I'm gonna set it on floor and see how it does. If you have an in-ground pool, you can set it so it will scrub your walls and do your floor. Looks like it comes packaged really nice. That's good. Looks like I got a little bag of spare parts. Comes with this little retrieval hook that will go on the end of your pole. So when this stops running, you can pull it out of your pool because it is cordless. Comes with a little user manual. This looks like it's the charger. Shouldn't have to worry at all in shipping. Definitely got a lot of really good thick foam. Now, if you want to check this out, I will have a link to this down in my description, and I will try to also put a link to this in my first comment. So far, it looks really nice. All right, right here on the side, this is going to be your charging port. Anytime you plug this in, you're going to want to make sure this is dried off around the area you're plugging it into. I want to get this plugged in and see how much juice we have in the battery. So let me plug this in. Now, these green lights, when these green lights go fully all the way across here, that means it's fully charged. So right now it looks like it's really close to fully charged. Right on top of here, this is the switch. That's the power switch. This is all the way over to the left is going to turn it off. I put it on S. It will be standard mode. That's going to clean your walls and your floor. And if I put it on the F, that's going to clean just my floor. So let's spin this around. Now, in the back of this, there's a little handle right here. You just pull up on this, open this up. There's a little filter basket in here where all the stuff that's in your pool is going to go. So when you're all done cleaning your pool, you'll be able to open this up. And then spray that out with a hose. All right, the pool vac is fully charged. Now I had to wait till the next day because I was kind of running out of daylight yesterday. Once all 11 of these lights are fully lit up, that means it's fully charged. Now, yesterday this did get charged up probably, like I just want to say right out of the box. I think it only took maybe 20-30 minutes and it was fully charged. So you could pretty much, the day you get this, you could plug it in for 20-30 minutes and then try it out. So I'm going to unplug this. We're going to put it in my pool and see how good it vacuums my pool out. Now I left my pool get kind of dirty, so hopefully I didn't let it get too dirty. Normally I think I would run this at least maybe once or twice a week. So my pool has a lot of stuff on the bottom right now, so we're going to see if this filter basket will pick up all the stuff that's in my pool. So let me just unplug it. You're going to want to put this cap back on. Don't forget to put that on before you put it in the water, because there's a rubber gasket down under here. It's going to keep the water from getting in there. Now, since I just have an above ground pool, I want to try it on just the floor setting. So I'm going to put it on the F. If you put it on the S, that's the standard setting. That should do the floor and all the sides. Then we got to wait for 2 yellow lights to come on. And then you need to put it in the pool as soon as them lights come on. All right, there we go. And we're gonna drop this down in the pool. Just gonna hold it there for a sec. Let it kind of start filling up with water. Let her go down. I'll push it out there a little bit. Now they say it takes a couple minutes before it starts, so we'll wait a couple minutes, then it should start. I can still see the lights blinking on it, so everything must be working. Now this is supposed to have about 150-minute run time, and then it should shut off right at the edge of your pool. There she goes. All right, this pool vac is good for any pool up to 2,500 square foot. But like I said, I'm going to be doing this on my above ground pool. Now I have a 24-foot above ground pool, so this should be perfect for my 24-foot above ground pool. Pool vac is finally finished, and I think it went longer than this 150 minutes that it says, which I don't think is a bad thing. So now I have my hook on the end here, and it did stop at the edge of my pool like it said it was supposed to. So let's pull it out and see how much junk I got in the filter basket. And I'll show you here in a second, real quick scan of my pool, how good I think it did. It cleaned my pool pretty good. I gave this thing a pretty good workout. I would never normally let my pool get that dirty. So it did miss a couple little pieces. But I think if I would do this once a week, or sometimes I even just throw it in twice a week, I think it would really do a really good job. So even though this is advertised for an in-ground pool, I think you could use this for your above ground pool. And I just did it, worked just fine. But let's see what I have in the filter basket. All right, this is what I ended with after letting that run for, I think it went over 150 minutes. Over here, there's just a couple pieces. But any pool vac I've ever owned, it usually always misses a couple pieces. Like I said, I had a real lot of stuff in my pool. All right, let's open this up. I think she is full. That's good. There's a leaf there. All right, you got to see this. Now, that's the filter basket. And one thing I do like about this filter basket is has a real nice fine basket, so it picks up all the stuff that you can't even hardly see at the bottom. So let me open this up and dump it out. Man, look at all that. So I'll spray this out. We'll get this cleaned out. Let's open the bottom up. Oh my gosh. Now this is how I like to clean my filter baskets. On my hose nozzle, I usually like to put it on the flat option. Shut that back up. I think it's good practice after you're done to Just spray this off with some fresh water. I can drop that filter basket back down in there. There we go. Shut that. Now I'll take it back over to the charger. Make sure you get this all dried off. Plug it in and it'll be ready to go for the next time. Alright, I thought I'd show you guys real quick. I did try this out after I cleaned my entire pool. And this will climb the sides of my above ground pool. So let me put it on this S. Wait till these yellow lights blink. And then I'll show you real quick that it will climb the sides. There we go. Put this sucker down in the water. This will be real quick. I'm not going to show you the whole entire thing. Alright, well that's about the end of this video. Like I said, I was pretty impressed with this. I wasn't sure at first, but I really gave this pool vac a hard workout. I think it did a really good job even with this above ground pool. If you have an above ground pool, you could still use this pool vac. Don't forget, I'll have a link down in my description. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. And please leave me a comment. God bless and have a great day.